Look at my desk, it's a fucking mess. All right, it is morning. It is the next day, and it's time for the Magnaflow Open House. So, I don't know, just woke up. I'm a little bit late. Breakfast of champions right there. Let's get going.
Don't tell me you're leaving.
I am. We're going to MLK right now.
You're going to King right now?
Yeah.
Fuck it. All right. Let me turn around. I'll meet you there.
No, you should check it out. Just like do a quick lap. Like there's some parking. Like it is what it is.
I mean, I've seen all the cars driving by. Like this is kind of. It's honestly kind of cool. Just like footage, sticking the GoPro out the window and driving around and then just taking off.
There's a few sick ones in the back. I didn't realize I want to have traffic.
Yeah. So you're going straight to King though?
Right now.
Okay. I'll meet you there. What up, dude? Things still looking sweet.
Thank you.
Above the cars. I didn't even see your car at all. That was so funny. Good to see you, Pimp. How are you?
What's up, dude? What up, what up?
Let's get it going. How was the meet?
It was pretty sick. I literally just drove to the back, turned around, and then drove out.
There were some neat cars inside.
Oh yeah, I know there's all sorts of cool shit there, but like, I wanted to come ride.
You probably already been there too.
Yeah, yeah.
In your backyard.
The thing is, like, all of those cars there, I've seen them all. They're all local.
Yeah.
You know, so I already know all those guys. So fucking, I'd rather get a session. You know?
Yeah, come on, bring it out.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's get it going with the hydration.
This is breakfast.
Is the car running?
Yeah, it runs good. I need to smog it though, so again, that's a whole thing. But
feel that.
get it dealt with in like I got like a month, so.
Hell yeah, G.
I gotta empty out the E85 first so I can put it back on the stock tune. So that's what I'm doing. That's why I'm driving it right now.
Good to see it coming out. What's new to it though? I think I see something attached to the top of this vehicle.
Yeah, it's a fucking expensive hunk of metal is what it is. And it gets me injured. Oh. The thing I don't like about this bike rack so far is that taking off and mounting bikes to it is like almost a two-man job, almost.
It looks like a gym membership, truly. I don't think I could
It's just because
lift it.
When you get the forks in here, it's not heavy or anything, but when you get the forks in here, you have to loosen it first to get the forks in, and then you have to tighten it. But you know, it's hard when the bike is about to fall over, and you have to hold it like this. So. Like exactly. All right. Let's haul all my shit up there. And then eat my fucking breakfast and let's get our session going. Most important meal of the day.
I'm not doing anything sick. I'm fucking injured, dude. My riding's gonna suck in this video.
I think when you warm up the bones, you'll be set. Don't you like switch bike setups?
Hmm?
Skating with pads and then switching boards is like doing that, and it doesn't feel the same. Like not comfortable.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, those would feel the same. Did you just switch boards too?
Yeah, this has wider wheels.
Mm. Yeah, I got. That's a new bike.
That's
So
the new one?
yeah, so like that's a brand new bike. So fucking, it took me probably a solid 2 weeks to get used to it, and then I crashed. Here we go. All right, first trick, transfer run. I'm good. Yeah. Wasn't on the same spot, luckily. I dropped in. I dropped in at the wrong spot. Did I break my GoPro though? That's what I'm worried about. That looks fine.
I like your attitude. I would be pissed off right now.
No, I'm fine. A little winded, but I'm all right.
Right at the beginning, in the warm-up.
Yeah. Just a tad. Oh, okay. That's what I get for trying to ride when I'm still not off an injury. Whew. Oh, bitch! Look at that. That's a nasty one.
Just now with the gloves on?
Yeah. That's why I wear gloves. It would have been so much worse without them. I also hit I smacked my noggin.
I never wore gloves when I bike.
Yeah. Smacked my noggin pretty hard too. That was not fun.
That was...
Yeah, it felt like I bounced. Ooh, look at that. I bent my bars. Did I bend my bars? No, I did not. I just scratched them. All right. Let's try this again, shall we? I'm still like way off because of this injury. Well, I did say I was gonna take it easy today, so.
Good.
Oh, so something's wrong. Something is wrong with my chest. What a shameful way to start the session. Just eat shit and immediately have to go home. Yeah, dude. Okay, session's over.
We'll line it up next time. That's what it's like to get
For sure.
To be 25 and older.
Yeah, dude.
Just hitting this. Fuck.
Yeah, some days you come out, like, when I built this bike, like, first few days I came out for a session, I was fucking killing it, dude. Every day I was learning new tricks and doing new shit. And now, like, what, 2 weeks into fucking building it, I'm like,
There's always tomorrow next weekend.
Yeah. Let me take a week off riding so I don't fucking die next time I try to ride, because
That slam is what I get for trying to fucking come out here when I'm already injured. So, you know. And now my chest hurts.
Want to do like
It's like a Wangan street racer type of thing.
cool select.
Yeah, cool select. The whole aesthetic is like Wangan street racing, like Smokey Nagata, all those fools. You know what I'm talking about?
No,
like-
that's why I can't put the sticker on.
Oh, there you go. Go home and watch some YouTube videos. Fucking watch some I don't know, some Kanjozoku stuff. You know?
Send me a couple links.
Yeah, for sure.
Dude, look at these stars too. Like that is
Yeah.
so legitimate.
He did a great job on these. Got a shout out to Bad Corey at Cool Select for hooking me up with the decals. I'm gonna give you some anyways, just because I have like 25 of them, and you know, it'll look good. One will look good somewhere in your car. Yeah, when he comes, he lives in Illinois, but when he comes to California, we're gonna be doing a
Yeah,
collaboration.
shit the shit.
Yeah, he's got the sickest like 5th gen Legacy ever.
Legacy.
Yeah, and I'll drop a clip of it in the video. Later, Pink.
Later, player.
Ride with you soon, man.
Light.
The sickest 335i in San Diego. I know I'm right. What'd I tell you guys? Sickest 335i in San Diego. If I recall correctly, 500 at the wheels, something like that. Sorry the session was super short today, guys. Video ended, cut a little bit early. Took a slam. What are you gonna do when you're pushing 30? Shit sucks. One slam takes you out. I'm gonna take a week off of riding, probably do a car video or something this week, and then hopefully we can start filming again on the bike. So I'm gonna take a week off, or maybe even 2 weeks until I'm fully healed, and then by the time that happens, we'll be sessioning on the bike again. So thanks for watching, guys. Those of you that liked it, make sure you let me know down in the comments what you think. If you didn't like it, fuck off. Peace out.